up, dudes? Welcome back. So today I'm redoing a video from a while back. It's old and I noticed a couple of things that just didn't look right, so redoing it. It's the Pledge of Allegiance. Yeah. Okay. So y'all should know it. Okay. So I pledge of allegiance. I promise I pledge of allegiance to the United States. So United States, U and then S, States of America. So America, and to the republic. I know it's weird, so to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible. So it's can't divide, indivisible, liberty and justice. So liberty, justice for all. Yeah, that was it. It's really, really easy. I'm gonna do it one more time all together. So I pledge allegiance to the flag. I forgot that part. Flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, liberty and justice for all. So, yeah. Hope that helped and y'all liked it, and bye.